6-1 naman itong NLEX, of course. Ang Macau na mo problema, nasa ibabayan na itong grupo na ito. 2-5 ang kanilang record. 35-22, first basket of the second scored by Macau. Brondial will clean this one up.
Yes, he will always look for opportunities to score on second chance points.
Trojano with a steal. San Miguel looking to start the second the way they did the first. Tautua barreling his way through.
Using his strength.
Mo for three.
By Liu.
Sangkahon ang abante ng San Miguel. Bagay na bagay sa ganitong maulan na panahon nyo.
Yan.
Trojano makes it 26 though.
Pero minsan daw, nakakalimutan siya, lalo na kapag nasa labas siya. So he just takes advantage dahil halos 2 oras na naman daw niya tinatrabaho ang kanyang shooting in practice.
Ibigyan niya rin tayo ng warning na talagang malakas ang ulan pauwi.
Trojano for three. His double-digit streak is intact. No chance. 31, abante de San Miguel. Brondial with a stop. No looks it over to Jeron Teng.
Kumbaga napunta kay Hanmisi, your supposed minutes for him.
Ah, look at that drive by Rodney Brondial. Bit-bit kung bit-bit. To the baseline, ayun, tarbaho kung tarbaho. Kaso hindi masapon ng mga kakampi niya. Tautua to Jericho. Goodbye.
Another basket.
Thank you, Ms. Bell.
Kinakailangan talaga ng isang consistent scorer para dito sa Macau. But it's not gonna help their cause. Oh, what a pass! What a
Showtime,
block by
Jeron.
Ma.
But Jeron kept his nose in it.
For the followers of Jeron, this guy can play.
This guy
Alam
can
natin
score.
yan. Oh, yes.
High school pa lang, sufficient na yan.
Saan yan eh. Oh, wide open. Layup by...
Kahit anong level ng basketball, pag nag-triple digit ka, kailangan mentality.
Bira yan.
Nakakapagod yun, ha?
Of course. Ito rin, nakakapagod yung ginagawa ni Mau Tautua. Uy, sinigawan pa yung referee, sabi. Tapos may death stare pa doon sa baseline referee. Kala mo, dikitan laban.
You gotta love the focus as well.
Oh, yes.
Damian Chonky. Wala akong maisip sa basketball, eh. Sa football ko na ngayon, may Marcus Smart na ba?
Okay.
Nice pass.
Another basket.
We'll set this one up para sa San Miguel. Cruz to Calma. Yan! Background robin yan.
Tapos itong timeout.
Ano naman yung atake dito? Cruz to Calma. Naka-end one pa. Parang practice game na lang to.
Maski sino bunutin ni Coach Leo Austria can produce for his team.
Calma. Nakaka-4 na. Binigay kay Teng.
Ayan!
Lights it up.